Hello and welcome to Popeye Hill. In part one of this series, I went over my plans to create permanent raised beds throughout the garden. The locations where the walkways and the raised beds would be was set up. Then the tilling began. Then the real work began. I had to go down each row where the walkways were and shovel the dirt from there up onto what was going to become the raised beds. This was not new to me at all. In fact, it's what I've been doing for years here in this garden. The difference is I'm getting older now. Now I have to consider what the future's going to bring. For this row, I'm pretty happy with how this is here, so I'm going to concentrate on moving the dirt over onto this direction. And I'm mindful that I got the mic on and you're hearing me talk, obviously. You may be hearing me breathing hard as I'm coming down the road there. That's the result of a good cardio workout. And if there's some viewers that are worried about my health and well-being, I appreciate that, but I'm in good shape. I've had stress tests, talked to the doctor about it, and said I'm good to go as far as heart work and cardio. This is good shoveling there. Better soil than over there. That's more clay. Easier shoveling. I'm out here getting a great cardio workout, but I'm not a doctor. If you're in my age bracket and looking to start a project like this, please use common sense and check in with your physician first. It's better to be safe so that you can enjoy the garden for years to come. Other than that, good luck with the shoveling. The sun and the shadows should give you a good idea of what I'm trying to accomplish with the raised beds here. That was a cameo appearance by Milton, one of our doggos. And now we'll take a walk over to another bed. And the same concept there, you can get a good idea. The raised beds, that's what I want to keep as is from now on. And the walkways, I want to keep them as is from now on. The raised beds are a little over 3 feet, maybe 3.5 foot wide, which is fine. That's about where I want them. I'm shooting for that or maybe even 4 foot wide. We'll wrap it up here. I hope you got a good picture of what my long-time goal is for these raised beds. Thanks for watching. See you next time here on Popeye Hill.